Welcome to the new world of connecting any infrared devices directly and wirelessly to any Wi-Fi direct supported mobile devices without available internet, or to the cloud like IoT Internet of Things node without available PC. Introducing Actisys ACT-WF5711U and ACT-WF5712U IR to Wi-Fi bridge dongle that support Wi-Fi direct and Wi-Fi IoT connectivity. ACT-WF571XU has two models. WF5711U supports ROW-IR connectivity and WF5712U supports IRDA 1.0 connectivity. Both models supports IR baud rates up to 115.2 kbps. WF571XU has three status LEDs: power and battery low status, Wi-Fi connection status, and IRDA and Wi-Fi data transfer status. WF571XU has two power options, 4 AAA batteries or optional AC adapter. At present, many medical and industrial devices use infrared for data transfer. WF571XU can connect to any ROW-IR or IRDA enabled medical devices like home defibrillator, automatic external defibrillator, insulin pump, hearing aid tester, infusion pump, vital sign monitor. WF571XU can also connect to any ROW-IR or IRDA enabled industrial devices like radiation meter, electronic personal dosimeter, toxic gas meter, noise meter, battery tester, water meter, gas meter, IRDA door lock, process controller, mass steam ultrasonic flow meter, household electricity meter, coating thickness gauge, dive computer, heavy duty valve actuator, and many others. WF571XU can be configured for various IRDA and Wi-Fi parameters. It supports Wi-Fi IoT, can upload data from any IR devices to the cloud without PC. After successful Wi-Fi cloud connection, connection LED will light up, and data transfer can be initiated from any IR enabled devices to the cloud. While data transfer is in progress, data LED will flash. ACT-WF571XU supports global Wi-Fi IoT Internet of Things connectivity, just like many other IoT supported devices like air conditioner, refrigerator, vending machine, security system, industrial automation, and many others. WF571XU can also support Wi-Fi direct connectivity, in which it can directly connect to Wi-Fi direct enabled mobile devices like smartphone, iPhone, iPad and tablet PC without available internet. After connecting WF571XU with such mobile devices, connection LED will light up. After successful connection, data transfer can be initiated from any IR enabled devices. Again, when data transfer is in progress, data LED will flash, and this transferred data will eventually appear on the chosen mobile device, completing a nice IR to Wi-Fi direct conversion and data transfer without internet. Thank you. For any questions, please contact us at techsupport@actisys.com. Thank you.